Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for June 1st, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI market roundup. Breaking news. NVIDIA just dropped a massive AI update that changes everything. NVIDIA AI cloud ecosystem expands worldwide to meet global AI compute demand. NVIDIA's AI cloud ecosystem is rapidly expanding globally, with partners building out AI factory infrastructure to meet surging demand from enterprises, startups, nations, and AI labs. This expansion ensures scalable compute resources for the next wave of AI applications. NVIDIA Factory Operations Blueprint gives factories a new AI brain. NVIDIA introduced a new blueprint for factory operations that connects live machine signals, quality systems, work instructions, and operational alerts into a unified AI brain. This moves factories from isolated automation to plant-wide intelligence. Taiwan's industry titans turbocharge world's AI infrastructure build-out with NVIDIA. Taiwan, home to over 500 NVIDIA ecosystem partners, is assembling more than 1 million NVIDIA MGX rack components for Vera Rubin infrastructure across 25 factory sites. This massive build-out is critical for the global AI compute expansion. NVIDIA and TSMC bring AI into fabs to advance semiconductor design and manufacturing. NVIDIA announced that TSMC is now using NVIDIA accelerated computing and AI to advance semiconductor design and manufacturing. This partnership aims to improve chip fabrication efficiency and innovation. NVIDIA, Foxconn, and Taiwan medical centers bring agentic and physical AI to healthy Taiwan. NVIDIA, Foxconn, and top Taiwan medical centers are deploying NVIDIA-powered agent workforces to scale AI-driven health systems. This initiative aims to transform healthcare through agentic and physical AI. NVIDIA releases major collection of open-source agent tools and skills for physical AI. NVIDIA announced a major open-source release of physical AI skills and tools to help developers build complex robotics, autonomous vehicle, vision AI, and industrial digital twin workflows. This empowers the developer community with accessible resources. NVIDIA announces NVIDIA Isaac GR0T reference humanoid robot for academic research. NVIDIA unveiled the Isaac GR0T reference humanoid robot, the first open humanoid robot reference design built on Jetson Thor and the Isaac GR0T platform. This aims to accelerate academic research in humanoid robotics. ARM stock may be the biggest beneficiary of NVIDIA's new AI effort. NVIDIA's new RTX Spark PC chip uses ARM technology, making ARM a key beneficiary. This development could boost ARM's stock as demand for AI-capable PCs grows. Prediction: Micron stock will skyrocket after June 24th. Analysts predict Micron Technology MU stock could skyrocket after its upcoming earnings report on June 24th, driven by strong demand for memory chips in AI applications. Investors should watch for a potential blowout quarter. AI Market Roundup. Uber is being called the ASML of robotaxis by retail investors as autonomous vehicle partnerships heat up. Meanwhile, NVIDIA's RTX Spark PC chip is moving chipmakers and tech stocks. Wall Street bet stocks are mostly advancing pre-bell Monday. Conclusion and key takeaways. That wraps up today's AI news. From NVIDIA's massive infrastructure updates to key stock movements, these developments are shaping the future of AI. Stay tuned for more updates tomorrow. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI news. Drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories.